Hello dear students, welcome to my class. Today let's look at the line by line explanation of the chapter The Tiger King for class 12th. English Supplementary Book Vistas Part 1. Let's begin with the video now. The Tiger King was written by Kalki. The author Ramaswamy Krishnamurthy, better known by his pen name Kalki, he was an Indian writer, journalist, poet, critic and independent activist. His writing includes over 120 short stories, 10 novels, 3 historical romances, and editorial and political writing, and 100 of film and music. So let's on the lesson. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamidar General Kilidar Major Sata Vadyagraha Samhari Maharaja Dhiraj Viswa Bhuvna Samarth Sir Chilani Jang Bahadur MAD ACTC or CRCK, but this name is often shortened to Tiger King. So this story is about Pratibandhapuram is a place king has long name. So he may not be called by his long name, but his shortcut of MAD, ACTC and CK, etc. So since they are not able to call that such a long name for easy sake, they just call him as Tiger King. I have come forward to tell you why he come to be known as the Tiger King. So narrator is going to tell us why he is going to tell us the story of Tiger King. He is being called as Tiger King. So narrator said that I am not going to elaborate, but he said he is going to say a story of king called the Tiger King, why he was named as the Tiger King. Even the threat of a Satuka bomber will not throw me off track. The Satuka, if it like, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. Now, what is the Satuka bomber? It's nothing but the aircraft used by German for ground attack. It was so accurate. This says even if Satuka bomber is going to be thrown at me, I'm not going to stop my storytelling. And he said to Satuka bomber likes can make finish my story. Narrator is going to say about the story of Tiger King. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face, but there is no chance of its fulfillment. As Bharata said to Rama about Charatha, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is that. Here, the narrator would like to explain about why the Tiger King has given the name like, and now what is the Satuka Bomber is nothing but the aircraft. About that Satuka Bomber he explained. So everyone who read of this story about the Tiger King will want to meet him face to face, because the story was so encouraging and inspiring, indomitable. And indomitable means that is brave and determined, that cannot be beaten. So everybody, those who read about and those who read have a desire to meet this man. So there is no chance of beating this man as a king. The manner of his death is matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of tale. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologer had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. So this is the story of that when the writer is saying about the character of Rama, Bharata, Dasharatha, all the characters of Ramayana. As Bharat told Ram that Dasharatha has reached the final abode. This abode means the final abode is nothing but the last abode. Where have you gone? This last after one. In simple language, he wanted to say that the person is no more. The another word is the tiger is that the so that is what he trying to say. You cannot fulfill the beating such a courageous man Tiger King, because he is dead, he is no more. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. The most fantastic aspect of the demise was that of as soon as he was born, an astrologer had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. The manner in which he died, the writer said, that is extraordinary. He did not have a very simple kind of death. So he wants an extraordinary story about this Tiger King. So he said he will tell only in the end how did this king died. So here the writer is being little bit sarcastic and comical as well, because he was saying that fantastic and most fantastic aspect of this story is demise. Demise means death. So most interesting part of his death was that as soon as the king was born, astrologer has foretold that one day the Tiger King would have to die. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warrior, hero of heroes, champion of champions, but they bit their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, the astrologers came out with it. This is secret which should not be revealed at all, and yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under this star will one day have to meet his death. So what? What fantastic thing is that anyone who is born have to die. But let us find what is special about this forecast. So the astrologer, as soon as the child was born, in any family, even in the royal family, also they call up the astrologers to find out about the future of the child. So here also, king's parents called the astrologers to know about the future of him, and so immediately the parents of Tiger King has a prediction, and what they when child will grow up become the warrior or champion of champion or heroes of hero, what he will become later on. So that's why they would like to listen from astrologers mouth. So they called upon astrologers. So we said that he is going to become one of the greatest hero of champions, but they said that they wanted to say something negative. What negative they said? So since they were the royal family, astrologer did not have courage to tell, and so they just kept quiet. So as astrologer said, the secret that we know, the secret that should not be revealed, mean told in open to everyone, and they are forced to speak that this child is born under the particular star, and so this child one day have to die. So like anyone can say, is anyone those who born can die. At very moment, a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of 10 days old Jilani Jung Bahadur. Oh, wise prophets! Everyone stood transfixed in superfection. They looked widely at each other and blinked. So, when the astrologers were saying this prediction, immediately they saw that one voice came out, and that voice was of actually of the Tiger King, 10 days old Jung Bahadur Tiger King. He said, "Oh, wise prophets." And immediately the prophets, all the astrologers were looking each other, and they looked each other and they blinked their eyes. And what is that? What the child said about that anybody who is born have to die. So this is what the astrologer told. They had a secret. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. So as soon as the astrologers told the secret, a magic took place. An astonishing face emerged from the lips of the 10 days old Tiger King. Baby started speaking, and that is the miracle. And what did the baby speak? Oh, why is because this general uh, tenth on words baby start speaking, but here is 10 days baby started speaking is a miracle. He said that this secret which should not be revealed at all at yet, and yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. At that, and everyone stood transfixed and stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. Means they become wordless, and they become just stupefaction, and they could not speak a word, and but their eyes were blinking and going wide, and they were looking each other. How could a 10 days old wise prophet? It was I who spoke. This time there were no ground for doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly. This time they were very clearly listen the voice of this 10 days old boy, and he spoke, he enunciated very clearly So chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed at the baby. The chief astrologer took off his spectacle and gazed intently at the baby. All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your prediction. Prediction to know that there would be some sense in it. If you could tell us the manner of the death, the royal infant uttered this word in his little squeaky voice. Squeaky voice, that voice was in a sense of a child, a small baby, but his voice was so clear and his pronunciation was very clear as he told that what is the new in that, that everyone, those who took birth, would die one day. So, who born one day have to die. We don't need your prediction to know that so badly was very well. He told the astrologer, everybody who is born one day have to die. We don't need any forecast to, but it would be meaningful if it you see how it would be going to die. He asked to the astrologers, it would be meaningful if you could say that how that death will come. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. A baby barely 10 days old opened his lips in speech. Not only that, it also raised intelligent questions. Incredible, rather like a bulletin issued by the War Office than facts. So, the chief astrologer placed his finger in wonder, his finger on his nose. He says, the 10 days old baby only moves his lips but cannot utter a word so clearly. So he was saying that this baby was very sharp, and like the bulletins, it shows like the War Office. As War Office noticed our point that were written on the notice board. The prince was born in hour of bull. The bull and tiger are enemies, therefore death comes from the tiger, he explained. So later the astrologer explained that he started saying that this prince born in hour of bull, and since the bull and tiger are enemy, so tiger king is going to die of a tiger. He explained, uh, so immediately and terrifying word emerged from his lips. The baby speak once again. What the baby speak? The word is, he says that let tigers be aware. We think that Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur was thrown into a quake when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the Crown Prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let tigers beware. This account is only a rumor rife in Pratibandhapuram, but with hindsight, we may conclude it was based on some truth. So, whenever the astrologer said that this child will, Tiger King will died with a tiger, so um, immediately they listened that the baby spoke the beware, that means let the tiger be careful. So he has given the tiger a challenge. That means writer is telling that story is about the 10 days old baby speaking only rumor that is prevailing in Pratibandhapuram. But the hindsight means some knowledge about happening in Pratibandhapuram, so can conclude that it was based on some truth. But with we look at the next part of lesson in next video, what is the story of about that Pratibandhapuram Tiger King. So students, this is only the first part of this lesson. I will continue this chapter's explanation in second part. So stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching.